Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this beautiful 2018 Fiat 124 Spider. Relatively local vehicle from the Oregon area, one owner, clean Carfax, only 8,139 miles. At the time of making this video, if you like the options and the color combination, it's a great alternative over a brand new one. But the one thing that's different is you're not going to pay that new car price. The Fiat 124 is actually based in the Mazda Miata. Which I don't think is a bad thing, because the Mazda Miata is a fantastic roadster. I actually used to own one myself. I'm a big Mazda Miata fan. This one is also built and assembled in Japan, just like the Mazda Miata. So if you appreciate Japanese build quality and durability, you get that with this Fiat. But one nice thing is that it has a little bit different flavor than the Miata. So I like to say that the 124 maybe is a little bit more grown up than the Miata. It has more soundproofing. The way they tune the suspension and the spring rate and stuff like that is a little bit less aggressive than the Miata. So it's kind of more of a grown-up version of the Miata, and it has that Italian flair. The one thing that the Italians are known for is for making beautiful cars and beautiful designs. They might not be quite as well known for making reliable and durable vehicles like the Japanese, so maybe kind of get the best of the both worlds with this Fiat 124 Spider. Does have the media package. Doesn't have navigation, but I'm pretty sure you can buy a navigation module and upgrade to navigation if you want. Obviously, smartphones are very capable and can do a lot. I think that sometimes they're superior than some car-based navigation systems. You have a great 6-speed manual gearbox. It's easy to control the volume and settings in the infotainment system. It's right next to your hand. Keyless ignition with push-button start. Very nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. The engine is also different. It uses a Fiat turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. That's actually the same engine that you find in the Fiat Abarth. The engine makes more horsepower than the Miata does, and it sounds a little bit different too. This one also has a chip guard clear bra. It's hard to see, which is a point, but it's a clear Scotch guard material that covers the front of the vehicle and it protects it from stone and rock chips. It's done a great job so far and will continue to do so as the years and miles roll along. We sell this at our store. Usually it retails for $1,400. Obviously that's something that the previous owner paid for, and it's something that you can benefit from without having to pay extra for it. Nice comfortable interior. I'm 6'2". I fit very comfortably in this Fiat 124 Spider. So much fun to drive. Me working in the car business, obviously I'm surrounded by lots of beautiful high-performance vehicles, but I can tell you I have more fun driving in a car like this than high-performance Corvettes. Maybe if I was in a race truck it'd be a different story, but there's something to be said to take a car like this that's not super fast, but you're able to push this car to its limits on public roads without endangering yourself and your driver's license, unlike, you know, a Mustang or a Corvette or a Porsche. And it's nice to be able to push a car like this to its limits and not have to worry about it biting you back. When things happen in this vehicle, it starts sliding. It does it in a manner that is very controllable, where things can happen a lot faster in a high-performance, high-horsepower vehicle. So it's really a fun car to drive. And also, being a motorcyclist, to me, and I tell a lot of people this, there's few other vehicles that come to as close to the open-air experience that you get on a motorcycle. The one vehicle that I did get that feeling is with my Mazda Miata, and of course the same thing with this Fiat 124 Spider. As you can see, the top is very easy to put down. You know, one issue I see with convertibles is that one common issue of convertibles is those power-operated soft tops can be known for having issues in braking, which can be expensive and complicated to repair. But since this is a manually operated top, since it's so small and light, very easy to put up or down, you don't have to worry about having, you know, issues with the top. It's very simple. I don't think you'll have any issues of it breaking on you, and it's very easy to put up and down, as you can see. If you happen to be in a different part of the country, we can help arrange shipping just about anywhere in the US. Contact us for more details. This Fiat is also backed by a 5-day 100% money back guarantee. We want to make sure you're happy with your purchase. Thanks for taking the time today to watch this video, and hopefully we'll see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.